Good day everyone, my name is Joshua Partugi. I'm a Scrum.org professional Scrum trainer, and today I am in Rome and I'm here to share with you a tip for aspiring Scrum Masters. There's an old English saying, when in Rome, act as the Romans do. Wherever we are as a Scrum Master, we need to stay relevant. And the key to stay relevant is to have the beginner's mind. To have the beginner's mind, that means as a Scrum Master, we shouldn't bring our preconceived ideas or bias when we are entering an organization to serve them. When we as a Scrum Master push our own agenda based on our preconceived idea or bias, oftentimes we may cause resistance inside the organization. And resistance may slow down the organization towards meeting their goal. To stay relevant by having the beginner's mind, as a Scrum Master, I ask myself these three questions as a self-reflection to improve my effectiveness in serving the organization. The first question that I ask myself is, what is the context that the organization is facing towards meeting the goal? The second question that I ask myself is, where is the idea come from? Does this come from my own bias? And the third question that I ask myself as a Scrum Master is, whose agenda that I'm holding right now? Is it my personal agenda, or is it the organization's agenda towards meeting the goal?